Hi everyone, myself Professor Aishwarya. Today I am going to teach about Introduction to Civil Engineering. So we shall start the module 1 about Civil Engineering Introduction. Civil engineering. So, civil engineering is a branch of engineering. It is the oldest branch ever, right? So, here in this module, we are going to see about the scopes of civil engineering. Scopes means the different branches in civil engineering and also some introductory part about the civil engineering. So, we have so many types in civil engineering, that is like architecture and town planning, building materials, construction technology, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics, water resource and irrigation engineering, remote sensing and geographical information system, structural engineering, surveying and transportation. These are all the various branches in civil engineering. So here in this presentation, I will be explaining about each and every topics and the recent examples and also how it has been classified and what are the works will be done in that particular field. So here, also this presentation deals with the types of infrastructures and role of civil engineers in infrastructure development and effect of infrastructure on economic development of a country. So first of all, what is meant by infrastructure? So infrastructure means it is like providing all the facilities for the survival. So whatever like everything should be around us. So that is what the expectation of human individuals nowadays, right? So like residential building, education building, assembly building, business building, storage building, hazardous building, everything comes under this infrastructure. Right. So, what is meant by engineering? Engineering means it is like we do have so many natural resources in our environment. So, for the benefit of mankind, we need to utilize that, right? So, for that, this particular engineering is used. This is like a technical knowledge about each and every field or each and every work, whatever we do. It provides comfort to mankind and also makes life comfortable. So whatever the things we have, we need to make it comfortable for the survival of human life, right? So by applying our scientific and mathematical knowledge and also rational thinking means like which is right and which is wrong have to be decided by the human being for the development of our society, and also by this way we will improve our living standards, right? So I told about what is meant by engineering. But in engineering, we have so many fields like civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical, computer science, information technology, biotechnology, right? So many a number of fields we have now. But as an engineer, what we have to do means we engineers of all the disciplines should form like a team, and we work for the like if we work together as a team, and if we give good product for our society, our human survival will be more comfortable in the forthcoming days, right? So we can also achieve the sustainable development or sustainable like if we keep on giving all eco-friendly products to our environment, we can save ourselves from pollution, right? So now we'll enter the topic of module 1, that is civil engineering. What is meant by civil engineering? It is the oldest branch of engineering, right? The very first there were engineering called military engineering. So after that they introduced this civil engineering. So we have like after that what happened means mechanical, electrical, electronics and present day information technology, every branches came one by one. So it is like a discipline that deals about the analysis, design, construction and maintenance of infrastructural facilities, right? Such as buildings, bridges, dams and roads. So for the survival or for the shelter purpose, they introduced a engineering called a civil engineering. So at first they started with the construction of pyramids. So it began in 4000 BC, between like 2000 BC and 4000 BC, that is during ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, Indus Valley civilization, they started building pyramids. So in that way the civil engineering started. So here it is also like giving the survival, and also like it is associated with the like building of roadways, railways, harbors, airports, and all the metro, like whatever the advancements we are seeing in day-to-day life, which is concerned with infrastructure, comes under the civil engineering. Right. So civil engineering is everywhere. As I said, you can see clearly in this video that civil engineering, like you can see the different types of building, roadways, skyscrapers, high-rise buildings, industries, and even railway stations, everything you can see. So it says that civil engineering is everywhere. Whatever we do, we can see civil engineering. So it is a composite of many disciplines. It includes structural engineering, water engineering, waste material management, and engineering, foundation engineering, and everything like environmental engineering and all, right? So here structural engineering means it deals about the design and analysis. So if we decide like which type of building we going to build, that particular building have to be designed and analyzed by using the load calculation theories, right? That can be done by this structural engineering field. It is fully associated with analysis. And water engineering means water resource engineering, and irrigation engineering means how to deviate water. So we have surface waters in only limited areas that should be like taken, and like that should be distributed to the fields, and also for even for human being we have to give that facilities, right? So it is connected with the water distributions, and also wastewater management, waste material management means how to manage. This comes under environmental engineering, and also foundation engineering. It deals about the soil and foundation, right? So this and all the different fields of civil engineering. So also it is like building big. So engineering is the future, right? So we are in need of so many developments in our day-to-day life. So we have to do so many things for our survival, right? So we have to build big for our future. And here I have a small video. So before going into the introduction, so I'll play the video. Here you can see how the engineering started, right? Civil engineering is the oldest discipline, and the pyramids in Egypt between 2000 to 4000 BC. It's a Great Wall of China construction. So most of the infrastructure is destroyed. In order to build that, they started this field. So this is how they started.